So Deepak, we are running short of time. We are close
I know.
to the end. Can you quickly take us through the group healing for any one issue?
Yeah. So I would just request you to note any one phobia or any one particular thing which you are going through or for which you want a solution.
Okay. You don't
And
need to type it, right, Deepak?
no, 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 no. Just keep it in
Okay,
your mind.
right. And
Just
quickly, a couple of more questions.
yeah, yeah.
Can people on the call replay experience this too?
Yes, of course.
Okay. And if anybody is right now, they're working or they're driving, can they experience this, or should they listen to the replay?
They can experience. They can experience. Only thing, yes, they should focus on the driving.
Right.
If
All right.
they're
All right.
driving.
Please carry on. Thank you.
But yes,
Yes.
they will experience for sure. They will
Okay.
experience.
All right.
But it's not something which will, make interrupt their driving ability.
Okay.
You can very much experience and not get attached. Anything. For one more thing, very very important for any reading is do not attach yourself to the outcome, and everything will happen with ease and joy. So just think about any one issue that you have faced, or rather for which you need a solution. Any one thing could be a phobia, could be a particular relation, could be a particular anything, maybe a money issue regarding money, issue regarding anything. So just bear that in mind, or rather just note that, and I will whoever is there, your I call upon all the people present, their spirit guide, guardian angel, ascended masters, and their record keeper, so that the reading can be done for these people for any one issue which, or any one phobia which they want to rid of, or any particular pattern which they need to remove or release. Just remember that pattern, and I request your record keeper to now inform you, make you aware of how many cords need to be cut, or what needs to be done. Could be healing, could be cord cutting. Superb. I'm seeing a lot of things are falling into place. And now I call upon Lord Melchizedek to stand in front of each one of you. And he is holding that exact number of balloons which need to be cleared to release this phobia or this pattern from your life. I'm feeling a bumper of energies coming to me. Be rest assured, I'm getting some nervous energies also. Please do not be rest assured. This is a very safe process. So just send pink light to these balloons, which is being held by Lord Melchizedek. And in your mind, people who want to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, I forgive you. Or maybe some people are more comfortable with Michchami Dukkadam. Both of you all can, you can say any of these two, it will work similar. All of you all are sending pink light to the balloons being held by Lord Melchizedek standing in front of you, or Bolinath, you can visualize, and saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, forgive you, or Michchami Dukkadam. Archangel Michael, please come and cut the cords between all of them and the balloons which Lord Melchizedek is holding for this particular phobia or pattern. All the cords are cut to the single hypophysal particle cut. Volcanic strength of energies. Superb. Archangel Raphael, send your green light, covering everybody on this call, and even people listening, and even the balloons which need to be cut, which have been cut, the cords have been cut. All these balloons are basically leading them to these phobias and these physical issues or relationship issues, whatever they want to clear. Please help clear these. Terrific, terrific. I'm sure all of y'all will have a lot of releases. Archangel Zadkiel, apply or send your violet light covering everybody on the call and even the balloons in front of them, which is being held by Lord Melchizedek, so that they can forgive each other. All these issues, all these balloons are there for forgiveness. Forgive, forget, and move forward, and feel the change inside you. Do not hold back. Do not doubt. Do not resist. Archangel Samuel is covering you with pink light and even the balloons in pink light, all of y'all, so that you will have unconditional love flowing amongst yourself. Love yourself. Love and patience for yourself. All will be well. Archangel Michael and Gabriel is sending their blue-white light, covering you and the balloons, all of y'all, so that you will have peace and tranquility flowing amongst yourself. Keep sending the pink light and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, love you, forgive you, and Michami Dukadam, whichever is more comfortable with you. And see these energies being healed and released from your body, which you have been carrying for so many lifetimes. Immediate sense of relief will come to you. Superb healing. I'm feeling volcanic type of energies coming from the group. I'm sure everybody will be also. Do not attach to these energies, and do not, even if you get overwhelmed, it's okay. Just release, forgive, forget, and move forward. Sometimes these energies become a part of us. So it's better to release. Forgive, forget, and move forward. Send them pink light from your heart chakra, giving them unconditional love and healing them thoroughly and beautifully. And forgiveness, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, forgive you, or Michami Dukadam. Improve your frequencies, improve your energies by mere thought. This is that thought to release it. Wow, superb. Now just please say this in your heart, in your mind. I release all these balloons away from my body and mind, so that I will not be bothered or troubled by this phobia or this issue ever again. The moment you say this, once things you're in your awareness, just release. And now I request Lord Melchizedek to carry each and every person's healed balloons away to the white light, or to the sender with love and consciousness attached to it. You can see these energies going away from you. A sense of relief, a sense of lightness. I can feel the energies have lightened. And I request all people present, their energy body to go and integrate into their physical body. Their body elemental has made a note of all these changes, all these cords which have been cut. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just feel these energies, feel these changes which you have gone through. Take a moment. Look inside your mind and body and feel the lightness of whatever changes you've gone through. And as and when you are comfortable, just rub your palms, collect your energies in your eyes and open your eyes.
Deepak, thank you.